What's going on, my friends? Well, I'm still in Vegas, all is well, and weather's been amazing. I tell you, today though is just insanely windy. It's over here towards, it's I think it's windier over here towards Lake Mead, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to go see Hoover Dam, so we'll see if we can cut you in on the coolness on that one. It's absolutely beautiful in this overlook that I'm sitting on. So a couple miles from the exit, it's going to take me across the dam to the Arizona side, and then there's a museum. From what I'm gathering on Google right now, they're not doing guided tours of the power plant and all that and what for. So we'll see. Just have to get there and see what's going on. It'll be cool to see the dam. I haven't been there. I've spent a lot of time in Las Vegas and haven't driven out here. I've driven past this. I drove past this in 2018, going home down towards Arizona. So let's see what this brings, man. It'll be cool for sure. All right, Hoover Dam. I think we're driving over it now. And I think it takes you over the Arizona side. Well, I say that. That looks to be your dam right there. Ah, that is cool. That looks like be the bridge that goes across. That's the Lake Mead Bridge, I believe. God, that is incredible. Look at that bridge. The marvel just of the construction alone of that is unbelievable.
In 600 feet, turn left. Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
That's Lake Mead Bridge. So we're at the Hoover Dam, and I'm going to walk across it. It looks like it's a horrendous walk, but it's not all that much. It's pretty cool because it takes you parking on the Arizona side, walking over to the Nevada side. I don't know why it is that some things on TV look so much bigger than they are in person. Of course, this dam is huge, but from this side, it doesn't look all that big, but probably is. It just goes further down. It's something else. Golly, look at that. Wonder how many people have dropped cell phones and cameras down there. That is crazy. I'm not exactly sure what that is. It's almost like a like rock. It's being elevated over the dam. Some crane. Interesting. Look at that drop. Yeah. So actually, that cable goes into the side of the mountain over there. Goes across. It looks like it's a pulley for when they originally built it. Interesting.
All I've ever done is blow a horn in a dance band. But people can't afford to dance anymore. But I still gotta eat. So here I am, sitting on a show. I'm entertained.
It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the
Good night. That is huge.
We have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will.
Golly.
As you look over the railing, you will see the tallest concrete dam in the Western Hemisphere.
This thing's huge.
Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall.
That's 26
and
feet off.
stretches 1,244 feet across the top.
All built by hand.
78 feet across the base.
That is unbelievable.
It looks somewhat like an upside-down pyramid. This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,200,000
Wow. Look at that.
At the base, you see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This is the oldest and largest continuously operating cable-lay crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons.
That's the original crane, basically, in simplest terms. Took everybody over here into the mountain.
Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity.
Well, folks, that was the Hoover Dam, and I tell you what, walking up on it, I'm like, this thing doesn't look all that big. And then when I went to that observation deck area where I was taking that video, good night, that thing is huge. I figure it was about 700 feet high when I was walking up, 726 to be exact. That is absolutely crazy. I'm here to tell you, folks, that is nuts. It's beautiful, man. I'll tell you another thing, to get in the car and come see. You can come over here. It's free of charge to walk around. But if you want to go into the visitor center and watch the movie, which I did, and look at the exhibits, it's $10. There are guided tours, a couple of different levels, but they're not happening right now, I guess because of COVID protocols. The federal government and the local state, the state of Nevada and all have got that crap in place. So, but they've got a little food and gift shop. You want to get a little I went to the Hoover Dam t-shirt, you can do that. It's cool. It's all good. There's nothing wrong with that. No shame in that. It's all good. I just don't need another t-shirt, so I definitely didn't do that. But you got a lot of parking around here. You can pay the parking garage over here, which this will not fit in a parking garage. Or I can drive on the Arizona side, which I did, and park for free. And I had to walk a couple of miles there and back round trip, or close to it. I got my exercise today. I got my walk in. Let's just put it that way. This bridge here, the Lake Mead Bridge, is cool. It's beautiful. It takes you around to the... You can probably get to different places like the recreational areas of the lake, but as it's stated, and you may know, Lake Mead is the largest man-made lake reservoir in the country. Maybe the world. Probably the world, for all I know. But anyway, I'm going to head back to Las Vegas. I got to get some work done going to Panera Bread again. Panera has been good to me this week. It has been. Glad I found one. It's right there off of Sahara, close to the strip there. So, as I said earlier, the homelessness is crazy. A lot of mentally ill people that are homeless. It's really bad here in Vegas, and it is what it is, folks. That's for sure. But other than that, we'll keep you posted when the cool comes in.